More news coming in, and this has got to do with the Saif Ali Khan stabbing matter. Cops have recreated the crime scene at Saif's house. Accused Shariful Islam taken to Saif's house. Crime scene recreation went on for about an hour, is what we are learning. Investigations continue in this matter as far as the nabbing of one person is concerned. Shariful Islam, a Bangladeshi national who was living in India in Mumbai under a different name, is now being seen as the main accused in this case. Even as the investigations continue, the accused has been taken to Saif Ali Khan's house and the sequence of events, the crime scene was recreated, is what we know. Pictures are from earlier today. A while ago at Saif's house when a Mumbai police team reached. Omkar sent us this report earlier. Let's take a look.
पुलिस अफसर अभी थोड़ी देर पहले यहाँ आए हैं और सैफ के घर जब सुबह रिक्रिएशन हुआ उसी के बाद फिर ये अफसर अभी यहाँ पहुंचे हैं और कुछ रेकी की जा रही है। अलग अलग जगहों पे पुलिस यहाँ सोसाइटी प्रीमाइसेस में अब घूम रहे हैं। बांद्रा पुलिस के अफसर यहाँ थोड़ी देर पहले दाखिल हुए और उसी के बाद उन्होंने इस पूरे प्रीमाइसेस में रेकी करने के लिए शुरुआत की है। हम अफसरों से बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे कि एग्जैक्टली क्या मिला उन्हें या फिर किस तरह की क्या तरह की उनके जांच रही, सब जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। सर विल यू प्लीज टेल अस एग्जैक्टली सर क्या आप बता सकते हैं सर आप आए थे आप यहाँ सर पुलिस अफसर यहाँ आए थे जो अभी यहाँ से निकल रहे हैं और थोड़ी देर पहले उन्होंने यहाँ की रेकी की लेकिन वो कुछ बात करने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। थोड़ी देर में ही डिस्चार्ज होगा सैफ अली खान का। उससे पहले यहाँ के इंस्पेक्टर सैफ अली खान जो इंस्पेक्टर मराठे थे वो अभी सैफ अली खान का जो सदगुरु शरण अपार्टमेंट है वहां आए, ऊपर गए, वो वहां कुछ रेकी की और पार्किंग लॉट में उन्होंने कुछ देखने की कोशिश की और फिर लगभग 20 मिनट तक तो वहां पे थे और उसी के बाद वो यहाँ से अभी चल निकले हैं।
Anita Brito connecting with us from Saif Ali Khan's residence in Bandra and Mumbai city at this point in time. Anita, the accused has been taken there even as the investigations continue. Get us up to speed with the information that you have with us as far as Saif's health is also concerned. What else can you tell us?
So after all the recreation that happened at 5 in the morning, the accused has been taken back to the police station. As of now, what we know is more stories will be coming out, more statements will be recorded because they have to yet confirm how things unfolded that night on Jan 16th, how things unfolded for the robber, how he managed to enter this place and what happened after that. Everything has to be yet taken into account because Saif's statement is yet to be taken. We have been told that he'll be discharged today after 5 days being in the hospital after the attack. He was admitted on 16th of January at Lilavati Hospital in Bandra and since then he's been under observation post his surgery, and today after 5 days he will be back, not at this residence. We are at Sadhguru Sharan in Bandra, but he has one more apartment in Fortune Heights. That's just a minute, not even a minute far from this residence. So we have been told that he will be brought here at Fortune Heights for his recovery. Sneha.
I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Anita Brito getting us up to speed with those details as far as the investigations in this matter is concerned. Saif Ali Khan is going to be released today from the hospital, is what Anita is telling us. In a shocking twist of the Saif attack case, details are emerging about the sequence of events inside the house. At the time of the stabbing, there were 4 male domestic helps present at home. After hearing the screams of the 3 female housekeepers, they froze. One of the men even hid inside the house while the others did not attempt to intervene. The accused, Shariful, managed to lock himself in a room, but the female workers acted swiftly, locking him in from the outside. Cops took the attacker to Saif's residence for the recreation of the crime scene. During the probe, multiple fingerprints of the attacker were collected from the washroom where he was hiding. Meanwhile, Saif, who is in Lilavati Hospital, is possibly going to be discharged today. His wife and actor Kareena Kapoor Khan posted on Instagram pleading for privacy. Mustafa Sheikh getting in more details on that story. Mustafa, several questions continue to remain answered in this case. When there were domestic helps in the house were male, all of them did not come forward to help. It's unthinkable that there would be so many people who would not be willing really to empower one man, one intruder, isn't it? Because at the end of the day, there were 4 domestic helps. There was Saif. There were other female domestic helps as well. I mean, the intruder could have been easily empowered in that sense.
Final frame.
Mustafa.
That is true, and these are things which are coming out after the accused was arrested, and the entire, the sequence police has tried to understood, and that's why, initially it was seeming so shocking that this person, one person was able to enter this private building, enter till the 12th floor, reach the bedroom, and then also escape even after being locked in a room. So clearly this has come to light. One is that the bathroom didn't have grills, due to which he could from 11th floor go to the duct and then enter the Jay's bedroom, and then the bathroom and then the bedroom. And second is the 3 to 4 staff members, male staff members who were present, who were sleeping, heard the commotion, but still, didn't try to overpower the accused, and that was an important part of it. And even if this accused was not nabbed there and there, the other security guards and anybody else was also not informed. It also raises a lot of questions that, even after the accused escaped and everything happened, Saif had to come down alone with one person and Taimur, catch a auto rickshaw and then reach Lilavati hospital. So clearly, one can only imagine how much selfless, how much helpless Saif must be feeling at that point. But the sequence which are coming out are shocking and a wake-up call to all the private societies in the city. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa Sheikh getting in those details as far as the investigations in this matter is concerned.